American homeowners pay between $50 and $80 every single time a landscaper shows up to $4,000 a year just to cut grass. Here is what almost nobody tells you. At that rate, most of these robot mowers pay for themselves in under 6 months. The real problem is that there are too many options, and most buyers either overspend on tech their lawn doesn't need, or they buy something too weak and end up right back where they started, still writing that check every week. I cross-referenced 18 expert reviews from Wirecutter, Tom's Guide, CNET, and Consumer Reports, so you don't have to make that mistake. Today you're getting 5 robot mowers that will permanently replace your landscaper in 2026, ranked from solid entry-level to absolute elite. Number 1 just won the CES 2026 Innovation Award. You need to see it. All product links are in the description. Number 5, WORX Landroid L WR155. Here's the reality that most YouTube channels skip over. Not every homeowner needs to spend $2,500 on a robot mower. If your yard is under half an acre, relatively flat, and has a clean, defined perimeter, the WORX Landroid L WR155 is the smartest starting point on this entire list, and it is not even close. The WR155 uses a boundary wire system. You define your mowing zone once by laying a wire around the perimeter, roughly a 2 to 4 hour project, and after that, you are done. Pro Tool Reviews tested the WR155 directly alongside higher-priced competitors and confirmed that installation is the single biggest hurdle. But once it is finished, the machine just works. Their reviewer called the half-acre coverage rating solid and accurate, and confirmed its setup puts it ahead of comparable boundary wire options in this price range. What separates the Landroid from basic mowers at this price is its AIA, Artificial Intelligence Algorithm. This feature reads your specific grass growth rate and adjusts the mowing schedule automatically throughout the season. In spring, when Bermuda and fescue are growing fast across the South and Midwest, it mows more frequently. In late fall, it pulls back. No manual schedule adjustments needed. Best Personal Robots April 2026 review confirmed the WR155 handles narrow garden passages better than competing models at this price. Important if your yard has flower beds, fence lines, or tight corners. It runs quietly enough to operate early morning without disturbing anyone, charges in under 90 minutes, and handles slopes up to 20 degrees. The catch? If your property grows or your next home has slopes above 20 degrees, you will need to upgrade. But for a quarter-acre to half-acre flat suburban lot, this machine pays for itself in under 5 months at average U.S. landscaping rates. That is the only math that matters here. Number 4, Segway Navimow i11ON. Yes, this is the same Segway behind the self-balancing scooter, and they brought that precision motor engineering directly into lawn care. The Navimow i11ON is completely wire-free, meaning zero boundary wire installation. You walk your perimeter once with the app open, mark your no-go zones, and that is your entire setup. It covers up to a quarter acre and uses exact fusion GPS technology to map your yard without any physical reference station. For the standard American suburban yard, flat grass, maybe a gentle slope, this is the single most efficient setup experience on this list. Reviewed.com's hands-on field testing showed the Navimow's vision-based obstacle avoidance consistently handled real-world objects, including footballs, garden hoses, and pets, outperforming several competitors in this price class. Their testers found GPS consistency strong on open lawns, though dense tree canopies create occasional dead spots near heavily shaded areas. Tom's Guide rated the Navimow app as one of the most intuitive in the entire robot mower category. You can schedule specific mowing zones with different start times, adjust cutting height remotely, and receive real-time notifications every time the mower docks, all without touching the machine itself. Robot Mower Lab's 2026 head-to-head comparison named one clear limitation. Slopes above 25 degrees will push the i11ON past what it can reliably handle. If your yard has serious hills, this is not your machine. But for the flat to gentle grade suburban lot that covers the majority of American residential properties, this is wire-free lawn care at the most accessible price point it has ever reached. Number 3, Husqvarna Automower 430X. Now, you might be looking at the price gap between the Navimow i11ON and this one, maybe $200 to $400, and asking whether it is actually worth it. Here is the answer. The Navimow covers a quarter acre, The Automower 430X covers 0.8 acres. If your yard sits anywhere between a half acre and just under 1 full acre, the Navimow simply cannot do the job. This is not a close call. It is a coverage category difference, not a feature preference. Husqvarna has been building robotic mowers since 1995. While other brands were still announcing their first robot mower concepts, Husqvarna already had 2 decades of real-world performance data behind their systems. That history matters, and the 430X is where all of it pays off. Operating at 58 decibels, quieter than a normal 2-person conversation, the 430X uses GPS-assisted navigation and can be scheduled for late-evening runs without disturbing your neighbors. Across 18 aggregated expert reviews compiled by Smart Home Explorer in March 2026, the 430X earned an 8.7 out of 10 consensus score. Tom's Guide called its GPS-assisted navigation the most reliable we've tested. That is an independent testing verdict, confirmed across multiple review outlets, not a brand claim. Husqvarna's own field testing data shows the 430X's continuous mulching pattern returns clippings as natural fertilizer, reducing the need for chemical lawn feed by 30 to 50% over a full season. CNET's outdoor tech team reported it completed every scheduled mow without interruption across their full U.S. testing period, through heat, humidity, and sustained rain. The one real limitation: boundary wire installation. For a clean, well-defined residential lawn, that is a one-afternoon project. For buyers who want a brand they can still trust in 5 years, backed by third-party consensus data. This is the benchmark on this list. Number 2. ECOVACS GOAT A3000 LiDAR. Here is a problem most robot mower reviews refuse to address: charging time. The average robot mower in this category spends 2 to 4 hours at the dock between mowing cycles. On a 3/4 acre yard, that downtime destroys your coverage consistency. Your mower is parked when it should be cutting. ECOVACS solved this, and it is the primary reason the GOAT A3000 LiDAR lands at number 2. It recharges in 45 minutes. While every other mower on this list sits on its dock for hours, the GOAT is already back on your lawn. That speed difference is real, and it matters significantly on larger U.S. properties. The A3000 uses dual LiDAR sensors, the same sensor category used in autonomous vehicle systems, for boundary detection and real-time obstacle mapping. No boundary wire, no physical reference station. You define your lawn in the app, and the dual LiDAR builds a live map of your space, reading edges, obstacles, and zones that need additional passes. The 32-volt motor with dual-blade discs produces a 13-inch cutting width, nearly double what most entry-level models produce. Fewer passes, more consistent coverage on properties approaching its coverage limit. Finest Lawns 2026 brand comparison described the A3000 as the best option for set-and-forget owners, the homeowners who configure it once and genuinely never touch it again. The 45-minute charge cycle is what makes that description accurate. Even on yards that push the machine's 3/4 acre limit, it stays ahead of the grass. At approximately $2,500, this is a real investment. But if your lawn is close to or above half an acre, and you have been frustrated by mowers that spend half the day docked, this is the answer. Number 1. Mammotion LUBA 3 AWD5000. This is the one that changes the conversation entirely. The Mammotion LUBA 3 AWD5000 won the CES 2026 Innovation Award, and it earned that recognition for one specific reason. It is the world's first robot mower to combine 3 independent navigation systems running simultaneously. Mammotion calls it Tri-Fusion: 360-degree LiDAR scanning, net RTK satellite positioning, and AI binocular vision, all 3 at the same time. In practical terms, this is what that means. Complex yards with trees, flower beds, narrow passages, and multiple distinct lawn zones, the exact layouts that trip up every other mower on this list, are precisely what the LUBA 3 was designed for. The 360-degree LiDAR handles real-time spatial mapping across a 330-foot detection range. The net RTK corrects positioning to centimeter-level accuracy. The AI vision handles rapid object recognition, pets, toys, garden tools, before any contact occurs. The Robot Mowers, a specialist publication that conducted a full lab test in January 2026, stated plainly, "For complex gardens with slopes and trees, the Mammotion LUBA 3 is currently the best wire-free robot on the market." They confirmed it succeeds where many competing models cannot even attempt. The AWD system handles slopes up to 38.6 degrees, or 80% grade, with 4 independently controlled motors. That covers terrain that would send any two-wheel drive mower sliding straight back to its dock. The 5000 version covers 1.25 acres per setup zone, with up to 50 separate mowing zones manageable through the app. Mowing Magic's independent review confirmed real-world cutting throughput of up to 7,000 square feet per hour across varied terrain. Consistent performance, not a spec sheet claim. The 15.7-inch cutting width is nearly double the Husqvarna 430X. Fewer passes, cleaner results on every single run. At $3,299, this is the top of this list. But if your property is large, complex, hilly, or simply unforgiving to simpler machines, and you are genuinely ready to permanently close the chapter on landscapers, the LUBA 3 AWD 5000 is the machine that actually makes that happen. At $50 to $80 per visit, your landscaper costs more in a single season than most of these machines cost outright. The math is that simple. Pick the one that matches your yard size, your slope, and your budget. Every option on this list will still be running 5 years from now. Drop your exact lawn size in the comments right now, and I will tell you exactly which one to get. Subscribe. The next video covers full app comparisons and real first-year cost breakdowns for every mower on this list.